Are you looking for some business idea in the area of healthcare? So, I'm going to share you a business idea today. You can work on this idea. So, I'll try to share as many as details possible, but still, if you have any questions left over, you can ask your questions in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Dr. Nitin, and I help healthcare business owners and doctors to grow their clinical practice, their healthcare business. If you have any startup idea, I help you to scale that and realize that startup idea. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. And let's get started with today's idea. Today I'm going to talk about an idea on tuberculosis, commonly known as TB. So TB is an infectious condition which is very common in India, and it is going it is going to be a much more difficult problem in future. So I'm going to talk about this business idea today on tuberculosis, basically tuberculosis or TB detection. So, uh, watch this video till the end so that you get complete business idea how you can develop this particular business. So, I'm going to talk about some steps related to building this business with the help of a mobile app. Okay, so TB can be detected commonly. It is done through sputum examination, so which is very cumbersome method and it takes some time. It is more hectic, right? And there are some more challenges. It is more expensive as compared to other methods also. So, as an innovator, you can work on either of these two ideas, or I'll tell you. So, you can find out the ways to detect with the use of images, that is, the images of X-ray or maybe CT scan or MRI, right? So, you can choose any of this method, or you can choose sound. It is something a new way to detect any medical condition. So with the cough, the patient is coughing, and that sound, that patient is making that cough sound, you can use that sound to diagnose whether that patient is having tuberculosis or not. This is something very new. So watch this video till the end uh, while I'm discussing the aspects. So you have to choose either of this one. You can choose multiple modes also, but that would be more challenging. So I recommend you to start with one method, either X-ray or CT scan, MRI, or the curve sound, because they will require completely different data inputs. They will have different implication. They will have different sensitivity and specificity. So this method can be extended for other medical conditions also which are related to this. But in today's example, I am taking the tuberculosis as the example. So what you can do is you can first step should be to gather the data sets for individual whatever method you choose, either the curve, voice, or audio sound, or the images or X-ray, CT scan, MRI, whatever you are choosing, right? So you need to collect from the TB patients, right? TB patient data sets. You need to then pre-process it so that you can extract the relevant feature for the analysis. Once you extract those features, you need to train them separately, machine learning, deep learning models for the either curve sound analysis or the image analysis. Then the next step would be to validate the performance of these models. You can do this independently or individually, whatever method you are or modality you are choosing. You need to validate them, and then you need to develop an app with the interface which will allow users to either input that curve recording or sound or the images, depending on whatever method you are choosing. And then you need to implement both trained models into the app for comprehensive uh, detection. Once you develop one model, you can like top up with other models, right? And then you need to test the app also, so that you understand or kind of validate whether your model is working or not correctly, and then deploy the app for the use by healthcare professionals or either users, individual users, depending on your business model, for either multiple detection modality or single modality detection based on whatever is your business model. So this is the brief about the idea, and I have given all the steps start to end. You can think over this, and you can, if you already have this business, you can use this information or you can build on this information. And still, if you have any questions or you need any clarity or you need more customized consultation, you can get in touch with me. You can let me know in the comment section, and we can discuss it on one-to-one or case-to-case basis. If you like this idea, please let me know in the comment section. If you do not agree with this idea or you see any challenges, then also let me know in the comment section. I would be happy to look forward to your comments. And if you have any similar ideas, let's discuss over this, and collectively and together, collaboratively, let's build a healthcare system which is benefiting all the patients across the world. So that's all for now, my dear friends. This is Dr. Nitin signing out. Bye bye.